Hi friends, welcome to Magic Mustache Math. I am Miss Cosmos, and today we are going to be looking at topic 10.4, solve real-world problems involving fractions, and we're going to start on page 475 of your math textbook. So which problem could the bar diagram represent? Explain. So we're looking at this, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 parts, and then this is representing all 8 parts equal a number. So for problem A, Jones's elementary school needs 8 printers that cost $256 each. How much do the 8 printers cost? And problem B says Carter uses 3/4 of a bag of birdseed each week. How much birdseed does he use in 8 weeks? Well, if we're looking at these problems, we could actually solve both of these problems using this model depending on what numbers we plugged in. So if we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Always check your work. Okay, and then we have another one down here. So now we have 2 bar diagrams, each with 8 equal parts. If we're looking at question A, Jones's elementary school needs 8 printers that cost $256 each. How much do the 8 printers cost? So if we put $256 in each of these, because that would mean that each of these is one of the 8 printers, and each of the printers costs $256, then the total would be all of these added together. And if we're looking at problem B, Carter uses 3/4 of a bag of birdseed each week. How much birdseed does he use in 8 weeks? We have our 8 weeks here. Each week he uses 3/4 of a bag. 3/4, 3/4, 3/4, 3/4, 3/4. And then so all we would do is we have our 8 weeks, and then we would do repeated addition, and we would find our total for how many bags of birdseed Carter used. So these could both be solved using this model. All right, my friends, we are going to go right into guided practice today, and we are going to just do number 4, 6, 8, and 10. So, number 4, write an equation and find the solution for exercise 2. The wilderness trail around the school is 5/8 of a mile long. If you walk the whole trail 3 times, how far have you walked? Well, 3 times, so 5/8 times 3. Okay, we're going to do our super secret method for this problem. 5 times 3 is 15. And then 8 times 1 is 8. I know that 2 times 8 is 16, but that would be too high. So I'm just going to pull out one whole, 8, 8, and subtract 15 minus 8 equals 7/8. So my answer is 1 7/8. So my equation, 5/8 times 3, and it equals 1, and 7/8. Number 6. Mercedes reads 2/5 of a 20-page chapter in her book. How many pages does she read? So for number 6, we have 2/5 times 20. I'm going to use our picture method for this one because I can see 20 and 5, and I like the way those numbers look. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Almost didn't reach the end, almost reached the edge of my paper there. So I know that 20 divided by 5 is 4. So I'm betting that I'm going to have 4 parts in each of my 5 equal groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups. Perfect. Now I know that from my top number, 2 of my 5 groups are going to be colored in. 1, 2. Now I go back and I count all of my parts that are in my colored sections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2/5 of 20 equals 8. Number 8. There are 12 water bottles, and each water bottle is filled 3/4 of the way with water. If the water is combined, how many water bottles can be completely filled? So we have 12, and this word of, which means multiply, 3/4. I'm going to use my picture method again because I really like these numbers. I've got 12, 4, and 3. That's sending off kind of alarm bells for my fact families. So I'm going to do 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And I know that my bottom number is 4, which means I'm going to need 4 equal groups, and 12 divided by 4 is 3, so I'm betting I'm going to have 3 parts in each of my 4 groups. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of 3. Perfect. Now looking at my number on the top, I know that 3 of my 4 equal groups are going to be colored in. 1, 2, 3. And now I go back and I count each part in my colored sections or my colored groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So my answer for number 8 is 9. Number 10. Last month, Leslie went to her art class 8 times. Each class was half an hour in length. How many hours did Leslie spend in art class last month? Okay, so we have 8 times 1/2. And for this one, I could use my picture method. It would probably work out very well, but just because I'm going to use my super secret method for this one, putting the 1 under the 8, making this a fraction as well, and then we're just going to multiply across. So 8 times 1 is 8, 2 times 1 is 2, and now I just have to figure out how many holes I have in this fraction of 8/2. So let's see. Let's say the highest I can think of is 2 times 4, which 2 times 4 gives me 8, actually. So 8/2, if I pull this out, is 4 holes. And when I subtract, I get 0/2, so this is gone, and I have my answer is 4. Now, if we were drawing pictures of this, just to go back and show you and check, this fraction is read as 8/2. So if I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I have 8/2, Well, it takes 2 halves to make 1. So there's 1, there's another one, there's another one, and there's another one right here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 holes. And that is it, my friends. Thank you so much for joining me for Magic Mustache Math. I will see you next time.